Everybody cleans, but does everybody need to sanitize and disinfect? And what's the difference between cleaners, sanitizers, and disinfectants? How do we know what products have safer chemical ingredients? I'm Alicia McCarthy, and this is Clean Break. Welcome to the Toxics Use Reduction Institute, a state organization located at UMass Lowell. Our laboratory researches safer chemicals and provides performance testing of cleaning products that are looking to obtain eco-label certification, which we'll talk about later in this video. We also conduct research on market-available sanitizers and disinfectants to provide further education and knowledge around these products. Cleaning is the first step in maintaining hygiene. Its main purpose is to remove organic matter, such as dirt, grime, and microbes like bacteria and viruses, by wiping, mopping, or scrubbing surfaces after applying a cleaner or utilizing a cleaning device. A common misconception is that clean has a smell. Fragrances may smell nice, but they can also cause headaches, nausea, and can trigger or cause respiratory issues. Stick to cleaners that are fragrance-free, and always check the back of your bottle or on the product website for instructions on how to use and information on compatible surfaces. Sanitizing, necessary per health standards for high-risk areas like food contact surfaces and bathrooms, quickly reduces bacteria to safe levels on non-porous surfaces after cleaning and usually have shorter contact times than disinfection. Disinfection is a method after cleaning to inactivate or kill a wider variety of microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. Chemical disinfectants usually have higher concentrations of the active ingredient and may need longer contact times for surfaces. However, to reduce exposure and antimicrobial resistance, disinfectants should only be utilized as needed and by trained staff on high-touch surfaces that have been cleaned first. Always follow the contact time and guidelines and proper use of instructions. Check the active ingredients of your sanitizers and disinfectants and avoid sodium hypochlorite-based products, also known as bleach, and quaternary ammonium compounds, also known as quats. Both can contribute to asthma and other health concerns, but quats can also be found in cleaners and the 2-in-1 cleaner disinfectants. Let's talk about the 2-in-1 cleaner disinfectants. These are becoming a lot more common these days. And what does that actually mean? Can I just spray it once and call it a day? Well, some of them do say one-step process, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't do a clean step first and then, if need be, a disinfection application. By using these types of products that are 2-in-1 together, we're overusing some of these disinfectant chemicals. So how do we know what products to look at and what has been verified to potentially have safer chemical ingredients? Well, you're in luck. There are multiple different eco labels that you can refer to, such as EPA Safer Choice, Eco Logo, and Green Seal. The Turi Laboratory is one of many labs that test the performance of these products for certification before they are reviewed by the Eco-Label Organization for Health and Safety Requirements. Labels can be found in different colors and found on the front or back of the bottle. The EPA regulates all sanitizers and disinfectants. You can find safer options to pick by looking for the Design for the Environment or DFE logo, which was updated in 2002. Eco-labels are just an easy way for you to identify safer alternatives, but just because a cleaner doesn't have an eco-label doesn't mean that it isn't safer. So let's talk about some options that you have access to, from the FAC 118 procurement list to using Turi's Cleaner Solutions database. So what are these resources? Let's hop into it. The FAC 118 is a multi-state environmentally preferred purchasing contract that is available to eligible purchasers and is a great resource for schools and municipalities to find safer cleaning products and devices. Products listed on the FAC 118 contract can also be searched by using Turi's Cleaner Solutions database, a publicly available database of the lab's performance testing and evaluation of products. You can search for other eco-label certified and/or effective products for your specific cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfection needs. If you ever find a product that isn't on there and you're interested in how it performs or want more information on its health and safety,
feel free to reach out to us at lab@turi.org. That's TURI.org to be able to reach out and let us know about products that you're interested in having us evaluate and place on our website to help you find safer options. We cover different types of products that you might purchase that are for cleaning, sanitizing, disinfection that have different formulations of different ingredients. But are there other methods for cleaning and sanitizing and disinfection that definitely can avoid using fragrances and having harsh chemicals that could cause other health concerns? Yeah, let's talk about steam cleaning. Ugh. Steam cleaning can be a really great option for you to consider.
As a versatile, eco-friendly alternative to formulated chemical products. It leverages water, heat, and time to clean, sanitize, and or disinfect without harmful chemicals, reducing health hazards and other respiratory risks. Suitable for various surfaces, steam cleaners are available in many sizes, with prices varying by type and size. This method not only cuts costs on chemical stock, but also minimizes user error, exposure, and the risk of accidental mixing of chemicals, making it a practical, safer choice.
I hope this information and resources have helped you so that you feel more empowered to choose safer products for your application. For more information, you can go to www.turi.org for Turi's website to learn more about tips and other resources to find safer chemicals for your process.
Together, we can make our schools safer and healthier.